Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Probability Miscellaneous Exercise question number 6. Let's see the question. 3 letters are dictated to a 3-person and an envelope is addressed to each of them. The letters are inserted into the envelope at random so that each envelope contains exactly one letter. Find the probability that at least one letter is in proper envelope. That is, let us take the envelope to be E1, E2 and E3. These are envelopes and letters to be, there are 3 letters, no, so for differentiation I am writing it to be L1, L2, L3. The condition they have asked is at least one letter in proper envelope is, if this is a combination then it is a proper, 1 should have a 1, 2 should have 2, 3 should have 3, that is the proper envelope in the proper letter in the proper envelope. Now write the combination, the expected combination. If we take this to be in letter 1, this can be in letter 3, this can be in letter 2. The first combination, let me take it as it is, L1, E1 L1, E2 L2 and E3 L3. This is the first set. The second set, this combination I will take it, E1 L1, E2 in letter 3 in letter 2 and letter 2 in letter 3. Now write all the possible outcomes, okay. Now we can change this to, and this will be here itself. So we have E1 L2, then E2 L1, E3 L3. We can also, the same thing, we can also change it here. Now all the E1 we have completed, the letter E1 can have L3. So E1 L3, E2 can have L2, when it is in E1, this we can write as 3 means we can have 1. So this can be one combination. Now when in E1 we can also have L2. Here this 2 combination can be changed. E1 in L2, but this 2 in E2 in when it is L2, this can be changed to L1 and this can be changed to L3. E1 L2, here we can change this 2. So E2 L3, E3 L1. There will be 2 combination, E1 L1 there are 2 combination, E2 L2 there are 2 combination, and again we have we can write the L3. Here we can change this 2, E2 L1 and E3 L2. So there are total outcomes are 6. There are 6 possible outcomes. So N of S is 6. Here they have asked for at least one letter in a proper. That means E1 should have L1 or it can have more than E2 in L2, E3 is L3 is the proper envelope. At least one means at least one combination. In this combination it isn't quite correct letter. Here we have all the 3 have a proper thing. At least means one or more than one also, that can be correct. Here also, here we have correctly it as E1 L1. So this combination is also right. In this combination here we have a correct thing. So we can take even this combination because here we have E3 L3. Now check this. Here also we have a correct combination. We have E2 L2. In this everything is different. 2 1 2 2 3 3 1, so it is different. Here also there is not a correct one. 1 3 2 1 3 2, so it is not correct. So total outcomes are, the probability of at least one correct letter is is equal to, we have 4 combinations, so 4 by 6, that is, we got 4 by 6 because 4 combination is correct, so 4 by 6. If we cancel this 2, we get 2 by 3 as the, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so 2 by 3 is your final answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.